In today's world, the internet has become the primary source of information and entertainment. Over 46 billion individuals use their smart devices to get all of this information from relevant websites. Do you believe that people only utilize the same dimensional screen for this? No. There are a variety of screen sizes available. According to the worldwide screen resolution stats, the most commonly used resolutions across mobile, desktop, and tablet are right here. 1280 by 720 is considered to be the most suitable screen resolution for the desktop website version. For mobile screen sizes, 360 and 375 widths are considered to be the perfect match, thus, the content is well readable and convenient for users. For the tablet screen resolution, 1280 by 800 and 768 by 1024 are the best choice. It also depends on the tablet model and its screen size. Large screen gadgets are excellent for browsing. In the meantime, the popularity of small handy devices is skyrocketing. As a result, a significant question arises. How will your website look great on all of these different screen sizes at the same time? Well, responsiveness is the answer to this question. But what is website responsiveness? Simply put, responsiveness relates to your website's elasticity. Let's break the term down with an example for better understanding. A responsive website is the only solution that provides an optimal and smooth viewing experience on screens of all shapes and sizes, as well as resolutions. Responsive web design allows websites and pages to appear on all devices and screen sizes by automatically adapting to the screen size, whether it's a desktop, laptop, tablet, smartphone, or even a smart TV. So there's no need to constantly move your eyes and zoom in and out to get an overall view of a website. Hope you got the easiest introduction of the term responsive website. If you still have any further questions, feel free to ask in the comments section below. And wait for the next video where we'll be covering all the importance of a responsive website. Thanks for watching.